Welcome to PB&J Backyard and Grilling. Welcome to Newbie Cube.
Like the little man said, welcome back to another episode of Newbie Cube Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Today, I got a helper. This is my son. He's gonna help us. What's your name, son?
Max.
Max, I do apologize real quick for the wind because it might hurt my video or my audio quality. Not important really. Max and I decided we're gonna, where'd he go? We're going to come up with a sandwich, right? We came up with the idea we're gonna grill us a sandwich on the Blackstone today, and we're gonna see how it turns out. We don't know, do we? We've never tried it. Okay, so let's get started with our sandwich. Okay, so what we're doing today, we're making grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. And we're gonna make at least one with a twist, right? We got a plan?
Yep.
We got an idea. We're gonna try one a little bit different than the others, but the rest of them we're gonna make just regular peanut butter and jellies, and we're gonna grill them up. All right? That way everybody in the family has one. Yep. He's not very talkative. He's shy on camera.
Kinda.
Yeah.
I'm more focused on doing the peanut butter.
Yeah. He's really focused on spreading peanut butter at the moment. But anyway, we're gonna the griddle is hot now, so we're gonna try to get these on as quick as possible. So that's what we're gonna do now. Okay. So now what's the next step? What do you think the next step should be? I say we take these.
We put them together.
We put them together, right?
And then we put the butter.
And then we put the butter on the outside of it so we can grill it like a grilled cheese sandwich, right?
Yep.
Don't put the two peanut butters together. What are you doing?
No, I wasn't. I was moving.
Oh, you're just moving them. Okay, I'm sorry. Whew. All right, so now we got all these. Careful. There you go. Here, I'll move this one down so you have a little more room. Put it on there.
I was gonna say this.
Yeah, just like that. All right, now we're gonna take the butter and we're gonna butter the outside so we can put them on the grill, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and it's also like pouring down rain now. I don't know, probably can't tell, but
If you look at
we decided to do this in the rain apparently. Mm-hmm. Although we're under a porch, so we should be good.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's put some butter on them. Okay, Max, grab one. Be careful how you touch it. Don't grab the bottom. Okay, bring it over here. You're gonna stick it right here.
There.
Right there. There you go. Get another one. Grab the next one. Don't drop the bottom of it. Put it right there next to it. Yep. Okay, go get another one. Don't drop them. That's all I asked. Don't drop it. Okay, get another one.
Try not to burn myself.
You won't burn yourself. There you go. Good job. Hey, you want to learn how to flip this? Or do you want me to do it, or you think you can do it?
I'm gonna do one.
You want me to do one, or you want to do one?
I'll
You want to try one? Okay, you gotta take that one, flip it over. Oh wait, actually, take this one and flip it over.
This?
Yeah. You gotta be real careful. You gotta be underneath it. There you go. Here, I can help you out a little bit. Whew, about burnt my finger. There you go.
How do you flip it?
You just take it. You take it like this. Oh!
You lost it. Yeah, we lost it.
Like that. And you just go whoop.
Huh.
Okay, so you can do the next one?
Yeah, probably.
Here, I can do this one with my hand because it's farther back.
Yeah, I can't really.
Okay, you gotta, so you gotta take it and you gotta kind of jiggle it. You gotta go. And now flip it. You got it on the other one. You got it on the other one. Okay, try the next one. Look at that. You got it, didn't you? Whoa, hey, that's good enough. That's good enough. Wait, gotta get away from that edge though. There we go. Just like that. Awesome. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna let those cook for just a second. And then we're gonna try our special sandwich, right? We're gonna try to make it? Okay. Nice and golden brown here. Oh, look at that. It's like hardened the jelly. Like it's weird. It's like a weird bubble, but it hardened it. That's kind of weird.
Pretty good.
Okay. So I want you to take them. We're gonna flip them off into here. So take your spatula. Oh, hang on. Take your spatula. There you go. Flip it off. There you go. There's one. 2. Yep, take that one.
The weird jelly one.
Yep, the weird jelly one. Get underneath it. Push it. Get underneath it. You don't need to go, don't have to worry about that. Just get underneath it.
I don't want to fall back.
It's not going to go anywhere. There's a wall there. Push up. There you go. You can use that to push on. Don't. Oh, you're going to get into the other sandwich. There we go. Come on. There we go. Okay. Get the last 2. There you go. Pick it up. And toss it on there. Okay. Get the last one.
They're hard to reach.
Yeah, you're not as tall. You got some long arms though. Okay. Now, you ready?
Yep.
We got all these done. Now we're gonna do our next one, right?
Cheese.
Okay. We're gonna add cheese. You are correct, son. So we got some cheese.
Yep.
And then we're gonna take
cheese.
this cheese.
Oh,
It's hard to hold a camera and do this all at the same time.
Oh, I could have Mom come out here. We're gonna use a whole bag.
Yep.
And I'm guessing it's just gonna melt.
Yeah,
Whoa, it's already melting.
Yeah, it's gonna melt real quick. Okay, now wait. We got more cheese. Here, you hold it. Can you hold the camera? Here, get up closer to it. Here, right here. Okay. Now look, I got this cheese. I shredded this for one of my other videos.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah.
So I'm guessing that's like you said, that's from one of your other videos?
Yeah, I did another video when I shredded all this cheese and didn't use it all. We got the funky jelly sandwich. Okay.
So it turned off.
And we're gonna put it right here. Okay.
Yep.
Now you keep filming, okay?
Okay.
I know the screen might turn off, but
It's still filming.
yeah, it's still filming. All right.
Get a jelly sandwich. Oh, that looks good.
Doesn't it look good?
Ooh,
Take all that cheese on it.
cheese deliciousness.
Yeah. Just like that. Okay, we're gonna put this. Hold on, I gotta move this over. Move that, move that, move that. Okay.
The cheese is all like,
It's all melty, right?
what's your crackers with this?
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
look at all the cheese.
legs.
Yeah. Okay. Got the cheesy on it. Doesn't that look good?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it.
Yum.
You ready to go eat? I think we're ready to go eat. So that's it for us. Everybody else is waiting inside for us to make this video. So we're gonna go eat. See you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at NewbieQ2020, Facebook at NewbieQ2020, TikTok at NewbieQ20. No, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. I think it's just NewbieQ Backyard and Barbecue. That's right. Right? I don't know. Anyway, see you guys next time. Say bye, Max.
Bye.
Bye. Peace out, guys. Hey, Max. You wanna try it? You wanna try them? Try them together. Try the cheesy one. Try it. Tell me what you think. Pretty good? Pretty good? All right, my turn. Ready? That's really good.
What's inside it?